Good morning, children. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. So the question is given. Let x and y be positive real such that x cube plus y cube plus x plus y whole cube plus 30xy is equal to 2000. Show that x plus y is equal to 10. So it is given in junior Balkan Mathematical Olympiad 2000. The question is asked in junior Balkan Mathematical Olympiad. So here, those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates like this Olympiad logical, critical and tough problems will be uploaded from this channel. Your subscription is very important because it is a new channel. So here, minimum one like. If you like the video, like the channel. So here, pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you solve this problem? Any ideas are there? If any easy methods are there, you can comment in the comment box. So first of all, I am starting with the given x cube plus y cube into x plus y whole cube plus 30xy is equal minus 2000 equal to 0. Sending 2000 to that side. So here what is given? Show that x plus y, if x plus y is equal to 10 in the larger equation, x plus y is equal to 10 is in the larger equation, then x plus y minus 10 must be factor of the larger equation. Must be factor of larger equation. Must be factor of the larger equation. So here you have to take x plus y minus 10 common from the given equation. So here I am writing in reverse order. X plus y 0 equal to x plus y whole cube minus 1000. 2000 I am writing two parts plus x cube plus 3x square y minus 3x square y plus 3xy square, adding and subtracting some terms, minus 3xy square plus y cube minus 1000 plus 30xy. So here two terms are added. This is one term, subtracted the same term. Here this term is added and subtracted the same term. So here what will get? 0 is equal to 2 into here x plus y whole cube, x plus y whole cube. So here if you take this term, I am rounding with other color. Okay, so here x second term, third term and fourth term. Here you will get x plus y whole cube. X plus y whole cube 2 times will get 1000 is also 2 times, minus 1000 2 times it is there, 1 time and 2 time, minus 3x square y minus 3xy square plus 30xy. So this is the logic in this problem, logical step. So here what will get now? 0 is equal to 2 into, here you can write the factor sum, a cube minus b cube. I am applying the formula. So here a minus b into a square, a minus b into a square plus 10x plus 10y plus 100 minus, here you can take 3xy common, minus you can take 3xy common, 3xy into x plus y minus 10. So here you got x plus y minus 10 common in all these. So here you can write 0 is equal to x plus y minus 10 into, here 2 times of x plus y whole square plus 20x plus 20y plus 200 minus 3xy. So what will get now? 0 is equal to x plus y minus 10 into, so here I am opening the bracket, 2x square plus, here we will get 4xy minus 3xy, only xy plus 2y square plus 20x plus 20y plus 200. So what will get in the next step? X plus y minus 10 equal to 0, or 2x square plus xy plus 2y square plus 20x plus 20y plus 200 equal to 0. Since x and y are positive, okay, the second one is not equal to 0. Second one is not equal to 0. Second one means this is not equal to 0. X and y are positive, therefore it is not equal to 0, cannot be equal to 0. So we have x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. That implies x plus y is equal to 10. So that he is asking to show that. I hope you like the video. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.